Aenon Town All Age journeys from Northern Clarendon, while Bright Beginnings Educational Centre travels from Portmore St Catherine. The team talk.
My name is Otis Harrison. I'm the coach of the Aenon Town All Age School. I am also the principal of the Aenon Town All Age School. To my immediate left, I have with me Jamie Ellis, who is the captain of the team, and he will be doing the language. Next, I have Christoph Hurd. He's my mathematician, and I know that in the future he is likely to become the next Minister of Finance. To my immediate right, I have Jaden Williams. He is one of a triplet, and I think I have the only triplet on the school challenge quiz team in the history of the competition. And right here, I have Owen Powell. He will be doing the social studies for us.
A year older and wiser, returning member Owen has high hopes for Aenon Town, while Captain Jamie Ellis is encouraged by his principal coach.
Because I have an experience from last year, so this year I think our school will do our best.
It is good to have the principal as the coach. When we are during studying, he motivates us, and he also says when we enter, we're supposed to have a lot of confidence, and we're supposed to answer loud enough for the quizmaster to hear us.
Overall, I expect my team to do very well.
Bright Beginnings Educational Centre are here along with their support in tow. They're coached by Georgette Honeywell.
To have Kyla Nightingale, she's a team captain. She's doing mathematics. Nathaniel Honeywell, he will be doing science. Shanae Kiss, language arts, and Tyra Thompson, social studies.
With this young man on the team, Coach Honeywell is in a bittersweet state, but proclaims confidence going into the match.
As a mom, I'm nervous. As a teacher, the confidence in him to go and do his thing. We're confident, so hopefully we'll pull out a victory.
Bright Beginnings are ready and waiting. Coach Honeywell goes in to meet them. After a quick huddle, Aenon march out to face their opponents. Who will win the quest? Time will tell.
So let's jump right in. In section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss, and Aenon Town All Age won. They decided that Bright Beginnings Educational Centre should play first. So with 4 minutes on the clock, Bright Beginnings, we begin with Bible knowledge. Who was David's best friend?
Jonathan.
Correct. Bible knowledge to you, Aenon Town. What was the name of Jonathan's father who tried several times to kill David?
Jesse.
Incorrect. Saul. Bright Beginnings, science. Which part of a flower is brightly colored to attract insects?
Petals.
Correct. Aenon Town, science. Which part of a flower is at the outermost part and protects the young bud?
Sepal.
Correct. Bright Beginnings, Jamaican affairs. Which of Jamaica's national heroes was called Chief?
Sir Alexander Bustamante.
Correct. Jamaican affairs, Aenon Town. Which of Jamaica's national heroes was called Daddy?
Marcus Mosiah Garvey.
Incorrect. Sam Sharp. Bright Beginnings, English language. Peter made up his mind to visit the museum. Give one word for the phrase, made up his mind.
Decided.
Correct. English language, Aenon Town. Driver's licenses are to be renewed every 10 years. Give one word for the phrase, 10 years.
Annually.
Incorrect. Decade. Bright Beginnings, television. At what time does primetime news begin on TVJ every night?
7 o'clock. PM.
Correct. Television to you, Aenon Town. At what time does Smile begin on TVJ every weekday morning? Smile Jamaica every weekday morning.
6:30 a.m.
Incorrect. 6 a.m. General knowledge to you, Bright Beginnings. What is the study of mankind called?
Humanology.
Incorrect. Anthropology. General knowledge, Aenon Town. What is the study of ancient buildings and prehistoric remains called?
Archaeology.
Correct. Bright beginnings, social studies. Which Jamaican town was named Santa Gloria by Christopher Columbus?
Port Maria.
Incorrect. St. Anne's Bay. Social studies, Aenon Town. Where in Jamaica was named Puerto Bueno by Christopher Columbus?
Portland.
Incorrect. Dry Harbor, now called Discovery Bay. Bright beginnings, music. Which Jamaican artiste released the single Affairs of the Heart?
Buju Banton.
Incorrect. Damian Marley. Aenon Town, music. Which Jamaican artiste released the single I Love You?
Bruno Mars.
Incorrect. I-Octane. Bright beginnings, mathematics. If 6 pens costs $72, what is the cost of 4 similar pens?
$24.
Incorrect. $48. Mathematics, Aenon Town. If 10 boxes of apples cost $640, how much will 4 similar boxes cost?
$6,400.
Incorrect. $256. Bright beginnings, sports. What sport is highlighted in the Contender Series locally?
Boxing.
Correct. Sports, Aenon Town. What sport is seen as at Caymanas Park in Jamaica?
Horse racing.
Correct.
After 10 questions each, both teams attempted all. Bright beginnings with the upper hand. Scoreline reads Aenon Town All Age 3, Bright Beginnings Educational Centre 6.